Hello, and welcome to the Spoon Harbor channel. If chocolate and hazelnuts are your love language, you're going to love this one. Rich chocolate, crunchy roasted nuts, and a texture that's simply impossible to resist. For the crust, you will need 180 grams all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 60 grams brown sugar, 120 grams cold unsalted butter, 100 grams finely ground roasted almonds, 150 grams dark chocolate, and a pinch of salt. Start by sifting the flour into a large mixing bowl. Add the baking powder and a pinch of salt, then give everything a quick stir. Cut the cold butter into small cubes. Add the butter to the flour mixture and quickly rub everything together with your fingertips until coarse crumbs form. The secret is keeping the butter cold. Those little pieces of butter create that perfectly crisp, crumbly texture once it is baked. To keep the butter from getting too warm, transfer the mixture to a food processor and pulse until the crumbs are evenly combined. Add the brown sugar and mix it in. Finally, chop the dark chocolate so it will melt more quickly. Microwave the chocolate in 15-second intervals, stirring well after each one until smooth. Now for the best part. Pour the melted chocolate into the crumb mixture. Add 30 grams of the ground almonds. Quickly bring everything together into a dough. Mix just until it comes together. Do not overwork it. I am using an 11-inch tart pan. Grease it with about 20 grams of softened butter. Transfer the dough to the pan and press it into an even layer, starting with your hands. Then use the back of a rounded spoon or another smooth kitchen tool to flatten and firmly press the surface. Prick the crust all over with a fork. Bake at 330 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the crust is baking, let us make the chocolate topping. You will need 150 grams unsalted butter, 40 grams runny honey, 120 grams sweetened condensed milk, 240 grams dark chocolate, 190 grams roasted whole hazelnuts, 70 grams ground almonds. Add the butter and sweetened condensed milk to a saucepan. Pour in the honey, then add the chopped dark chocolate. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly until the chocolate has completely melted. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the mixture is smooth, glossy, and slightly thicker, remove it from the heat and fold in the hazelnuts. By now, the crust is ready. Take it out of the oven and let it cool for about 30 minutes. Pour the chocolate topping over the crust and spread it into an even layer. Sprinkle the remaining 70 grams of ground almonds over the top and smooth everything out with an offset spatula. Let the dessert set. For faster results, chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 to 40 minutes. Before slicing, run a thin knife around the edge of the pan to release the dessert. Then lightly score your cutting lines first. Now cut all the way through, following those guidelines to create neat chocolate bars. Rich chocolate, crunchy roasted hazelnuts. Yep, this is exactly what I was hoping for. You have got to try this one. Cook with love, and remember, you have got this. See you in the next one.